The reason I'm taking this is because I want to take the door handle off and the license plated light off as well. Well, this took me a while to figure out. There's a dodgy screw there. I don't know why Peugeot has tried to make this in that way, but obviously it's quite hard to pin down the screw. There we go. We have to remove this screw in order to remove the handle. Don't worry if the screw falls off. If you got a magnetic tool, you can pull it out from the inside of the door, which is probably what is gonna happen. Then you pull it out like that and like this. Thanks for watching. See you on the road.